Right, in a previous video, we differentiated this, where we said y was 5x squared plus 6 raised to the power of 7. We recognize 5x squared plus 6 as the inside function for using the chain rule. U is u to the 7, y is u to the 7, and then we apply the chain rule so that the y by du is 7u to the 6. Then the u by dx is 10x, and then we made our substitution here and worked it out. Let's look at another example using the chain rule. Let's erase the board and then look at this example. Suppose we have a function, right? Y is equal to the square root of x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6. Well, certainly you would just go to the chain rule, right? You want to just go ahead and use the chain rule in this case, just like in the previous one. Now, what is the inside function in this case? You have a function and it is a square root of another function. Alright? So the inside function in this case is x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6. So u is equal to x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6. And then you can see that y is equal to the square root of u. What I want you to do right now is to pause the video and finish this working. So go ahead. Okay, good. You have paused the video and you work this out. What did you get? Let's look at it. Now, you know that the y by dx is equal to the y by du times du by dx. So we need dy by du. What is dy by du? You know that in this case the square root of u is the same as, and you have to remember your indices when you're doing differentiation. It is u to the power of a half. Alright? So dy by du is equal to multiply by the power half u to the, reduce the old power by 1 to get the new power. What is half minus 1? It is negative a half. Now when you work this out, simplify this, you have negative a half. A number raised to a negative index is the same as 1 divided by the number to the positive index. So it is half times 1 over u to the half. And then you can go further by saying this is u to the half is the same as the square root of u. So you can write this as 1 over 2 square root of u. You see that? Now, let's look at the u by dx. Let's partition the board and work up here. So the u by dx is equal to, this is 3x squared minus 2 fours 8x. You see that? So therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by du, which is 1 over 2 square root of u, times the u by dx, which is 3x squared minus 8x. So putting them together, you can see that multiplying by this is the same as having 3x squared minus 8x over 1, and you do the fraction multiplication. 3x squared minus 8x over 2 square root of u. But what was u again? U was x cubed minus 4x plus 6. So let's write it. It is 2 times x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6. Alright? So you have that. And then we can say dy by dx is equal to 3x squared minus 8x all over multiplied by the 2. It's 2x cubed minus 2 4s 8x squared plus 2 6 12. Alright, so that's what we have. So let's just review quickly. We have this function as u. U is x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6. What we therefore have is y is equal to the square root of u. So dy by dx is dy by du times du by dx. Now y is the square root of u, which is u to the half. So dy by du, I should say, half u to the negative half. So this becomes half 1 over u to the half, which eventually becomes 1 over 2 square root of u. Up here now, let me separate this. Up here now, what we have is the y by the u by dx. Since this is u, alright, this is u. The u by dx is 3x squared minus 2 4s 8x to the 1, which is 8x. So dy by dx is dy by du, which is 1 over 2 square root of u times du by dx. So the square root of u, the square root of u, I had left off the square root of u earlier. Should put it there. Alright, so this is what we have. But then if we have the square root of u, then you wouldn't be able to multiply by the 2 times all this. Alright, so I left off the square root earlier. Alright, so 3x squared minus 8x up top over 2 square root of u. But u is x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6. Let me rewrite the cube under here so you can see it a bit better. So this is x cubed, alright, minus 4x squared plus 6, alright, so you have that. So it's 3x squared minus 8x all over 2 square root of x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6. Let me put the 2 a bit further out. Don't want the 2 inside the square root sign. Alright, so we have our answers and so on fixed up. So therefore, dy by dx is this. Alright? So let me put the answer in a nice wrapped box. And this is what we have. Nice. So that's the answer here. So, was that what you got? So if that wasn't what you got, I want you to try it again without looking at the solution here. So I will see you in the next video.